Hi, I'm Awilda Dunning, Sales Associate with Coldwell Banker Realty out of Annapolis, Maryland. From my family to yours, here's a simple recipe I found that's simple to make right at home. Please enjoy, share with your friends, and comment below. As an area expert, I can help you buy, sell, invest, or let you know what your home is worth in today's market. Just give me a call.
Oh, yes.